Hey guys, in this video, I am going to teach you how to create Discord server in mobile. But before we go on with the video, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be updated with our latest content. Alright, now let us continue. It is very easy to create a Discord server in your mobile phone. All you have to do is listen well and follow every step that I make. To create a Discord server on your mobile phone, the first step is to launch the Discord app. Once you have opened the app, all we have to do next is tap on these three lines in the upper left corner of the screen. By doing this, we'll see all the server that we have joined. We can also do that by swiping your finger to the right. Just like that. After that, to create your own Discord server with your mobile phone, the next thing we have to do is tap on the plus icon on the left corner of the screen. If you can't see it, just scroll down, because if you have joined a lot of servers, then it will be hidden. So let's go ahead and tap the plus button. After tapping the plus button, you will now be able to create your own server. As we can see, there's a variety of templates to choose from. If you don't want to do much work, just choose the best one for your plan. Anyway, I will tap the friends template. Here you can choose whether you are creating it for a community or just for you and your friends. You can just skip this question or tap one of them. Now let us choose a name for our server. After typing your server name, just tap Create Server. Now it is time to add some people. You can add people by typing invite, or you can just share the link to your friends. But I will skip this one. And congratulations! We now have created our own Discord server. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below and don't forget to share the video. Once again, thank you for watching and your support. See you on the next video.